Hello from Banau Brycheiniog. I'm just going to say a few words about this book, Sarn Helen, which is built around a walk along the Roman road that once ran from Neath, so almost on the south coast of Wales, all the way to Caerhun on the Conwy estuary, so almost on the north coast of Wales. It's an accidental book, in a way. I set out from Neath in July 2020 after the end of the first COVID-19 lockdown for no better reason than to see a different landscape. But Sarn Helen got under my skin. It got me chewing over two of my obsessions, 5th and 6th century Age of Saints and the current climate and ecological emergency. As I walked, I began to understand that in the reverence of the saints for the natural world, there was a model that might help to show us now a path, a way to navigate the next few decades, the most dangerous decades, probably, that we have ever faced. That is the background, and yes, this is the result. The journey through Wales, past, present and future. And I can say, since I didn't do it, it's illustrated beautifully. Thank you, Jackie Morris.